look at that sturdy red tractor, rolling into the workshop for a little well-deserved tune-up.
Whoa, is it going to fly? Maybe it's going to space to farm on the moon.
Not quite, silly. It is just being lifted so we can safely remove those heavy tires for inspection. Now watch closely as the front bucket detaches. It takes a lot of precision to handle such heavy machinery.
Hear that whirring sound? That is the power drill, loosening the bolts. It's like the tractor is getting a deep tissue massage.
With the wheels and bucket removed, we can finally reach the parts that keep this machine working hard every day. Success! The maintenance is complete and our trusty red tractor is ready to head back to the fields. Great job today! Look closely at the field today. We have a powerful excavator and a sturdy dump truck waiting for the work to begin.
The excavator is waking up. It is digging a giant hole. Is it looking for buried treasure? Maybe gold?
Not exactly, dear friend. It is clearing the earth to prepare for something new. See how it carefully scoops the dirt into the truck? That is a lot of soil. The excavator is done with that load, and the truck is ready to roll away. It is like a never-ending dance of steel and earth. The excavator is working hard to keep the site moving efficiently.
Watch it go! The dump truck is fully loaded now and heading out through the gates to clear the way.
A new arrival enters the scene. This massive semi-truck carries the heavy materials we need for the next stage of our project. And look at that vibrant pink crane truck. It is extending its long arm high into the sky to start the heavy lifting. Precision is key here. The crane gently lowers the street lamp into the ground. It is like placing a puzzle piece.
It is doing it again. That is the second lamp perfectly aligned. These machines are incredibly steady.
The task is complete. With the lamp standing tall, the crane retracts its boom, signaling a successful installation. Here comes the cement mixer. It is time to pour the foundation and create a smooth path for everyone to walk on. The liquid concrete flows perfectly. So this path will be hard as rock, connecting everything together. night falls, the construction site transforms into a magical park. With the lights glowing and the Ferris wheel spinning, our hard work brings joy to the whole city. Good night, everyone! Look at that mighty orange dump truck, working hard in the heart of the city. It carries a heavy load of stones to keep our roads strong.
Whoa, it's just dumping rocks everywhere. Maybe it's trying to build a giant stone castle in the middle of the street?
Not quite, little friend. But oh dear, look over there! A red dump truck is struggling with a mountain of hay, and it has tipped right over.
That looks like a total mess. All that hay is everywhere. It's like a giant messy haystack exploded on the road.
It certainly is chaotic, but don't worry. Here comes a powerful excavator to save the day. It's a true master of clearing the way.
I love watching these machines work together. It's like a well-choreographed dance, but with a lot more dirt and heavy metal.
Watch how the excavator's arm reaches out with such precision. It scoops up the hay bales and places them back into the truck, as if they weigh nothing at all. Steady as she goes. Every bale is accounted for. It is truly satisfying to see how quickly they turn a disaster into a job well done. And finally, our yellow skid steer loader arrives to tidy up those scattered rocks from earlier. With its compact frame, it makes the street look brand new again.
What a team! The city is clean, the trucks are back on track, and our work here is finished. See you on the next construction adventure.
Above the bustling city streets, a blue helicopter glides gracefully through the morning sky.
Oh no! Look out below! That massive white tank is falling right out of the clouds, and it's heading straight for the station!
What a terrible sight! The station is completely ruined by that unexpected impact. Don't worry, help is on the way. See that orange excavator? It's working hard to clear all this heavy rubble so the team can get to work.
I bet the truck driver is having a tough time fitting all that giant metal into the back of his red dump truck.
Patience and precision to clear a site like this. Every piece of debris must be removed systematically to ensure the ground is safe again. Now, a red tow truck arrives. It's here to rescue the damaged helicopter and take it to a place where it can be fixed up good as new.
off they go. That tow truck is incredibly efficient, moving through the city with such purpose.
Look! The helicopter is back in the air, soaring peacefully above the city once more. It seems the helicopter is on a mission now, carrying that heavy tank to a much safer location. A perfect landing. The pilot has accomplished the task with great skill and care. Dump truck returns, but this time it's bringing fresh materials to rebuild the station from the ground up. Everything is restored. As our blue helicopter flies over the brand new station, we can see that teamwork really does make the dream work. Until next time, keep looking up! Welcome to the site, everyone. Look at those brick foundations. It is like a giant puzzle waiting to be solved.
Whoa! Did you see that hammer? It's like a giant whack-a-mole game, but for building cool platforms.
Exactly. That yellow cement mixer is navigating the course with such precision. It has a big job to do.
I bet it's delivering super strength glue to stick all those bricks together. Am I right?
Not quite, silly. It's carrying wet concrete, which will harden to make the site strong and stable. Look at that teamwork! The excavator and the dump truck are working in perfect harmony.
That orange skid steer is really zipping around. It's like the little athlete of the construction world.
It certainly is purposeful. It's heading straight for the portal, likely carrying materials for the next phase.
I wonder what's on the other side of that glowing portal? Maybe a secret construction base?
That's a fun theory! The blue dump truck is certainly making its way in air with steady, rhythmic movements. Off it goes into the unknown. The portal is glowing bright as it finishes the journey. Now the green excavator takes center stage, clearing the path with its powerful metal arm. And just like that, our mechanical friend completes its mission. It's been a wonderful day of building. And we've learned so much about how these machines work together. See you next time! Look at that yellow taxi navigate the busy city streets. Wait, oh no! It's losing control and heading straight for that fence.
Wow, that was a big thump. I bet the taxi was trying to park in a hurry, right?
Not quite, but look! The cleanup crew is already arriving. These heavy-duty construction vehicles are experts at restoring order. That bulldozer is like a giant mechanical shovel. It's pushing all that broken debris aside so the path can be clear again. It's a perfect team effort. The bulldozer scoops up the mess, and the dump truck waits patiently to carry it all away.
Watch these machines work all day. They make clearing a busy intersection look as easy as tidying up a playroom.
debris gone. They're even installing a brand new bus stop from the sky. It's amazing how quickly our city... Welcome to our beautiful town square, everyone! It is such a peaceful morning, but wait! Do you hear that rumble in the distance?
Oh, I know. It is a giant metallic monster coming to eat the pavement. Is it a hungry robot? Host A?
Not exactly, silly. That is an excavator. It is a very helpful machine that uses its powerful arm to help us build better roads for our town. Look at how deep it digs. It is like a dentist for the street, clearing away all the old bumpy bits so we can have a smooth ride.
Bet if I had an arm like that, I could dig the biggest hole in the world in just 5 minutes flat!
You might be a bit messy, though. See how carefully the operator moves? It is all about precision and planning to get the job done right. The ground is really tough, but that drill is stronger. It breaks through the surface with incredible force. And look at those trucks waiting their turn. It is like a very organized, very heavy-duty dance routine in the middle of the street. Now the excavator is scooping up all the broken pieces. It is cleaning up its own mess so we can start fresh.
Time for a ride! The excavator is climbing onto the flatbed truck. It is going on a little vacation, I think.
It is not a vacation, it is a shift change. Now the cement mixer arrives. It is time to pour the foundation for something new.
Whoa, that concrete looks like thick gray soup. I hope nobody tries to eat it for lunch.
Definitely not. It is very important that we let that set. It will soon be a rock-solid surface for everyone in town to use. Our mechanical friend is moving through the town streets now. It has done a great job today, hasn't it? Look at those precise movements. Whether it is lifting heavy stone or placing materials, every action is calculated and steady. The project is almost finished. The arm retracts, the site is clean, and the town is ready for a brand new structure. There it is! A perfect new bus stop. It is wonderful to see how much work goes into making our daily lives just a little bit better. Thanks for watching our construction adventure. The city wakes up in a rhythmic dance of steel and glass, where heavy vehicles navigate the morning rush with practiced ease.
Look at those big rigs! Are they headed to a monster truck rally, maybe?
Not quite. That blue excavator has a much more serious job today. It is moving with purpose toward the park, preparing to clear space for something new. closely as the excavator engages its circular saw. It bites into the timber with incredible strength, showing just how precise heavy machinery can be.
I bet that saw is super sharp. It's making quick work of those trees, almost like it's just trimming a little garden hedge.
Indeed, it is a master of efficiency. As the final branches fall, an orange dump truck arrives right on cue to collect the debris. The work is done and the site is cleared, proving that teamwork is the secret to getting big jobs finished right. Until next time, keep exploring the world around you. Look closely. In this serene valley, a brown bear is embarking on a most unusual and busy adventure behind the wheel.
I bet he's heading to a bear-sized drive-thru for a giant salmon burger. Am I right?
Not quite. He's actually very focused on a much more important task today. See how he follows the yellow dump truck? They are working together to transport a heavy load of logs across the landscape. They are moving with such steady purpose. It is truly remarkable to witness such coordination in the wild.
Oh, look! The yellow truck is lifting its bed. It must be time to unload the cargo.
Exactly right. That massive pile of timber will serve a very specific purpose for our furry friend. They are using the logs to build a bridge right over the river. That is some top-tier engineering. There he goes, crossing the bridge with confidence. A job well done by our industrious bear. As the sun sets over this peaceful farm, we see how nature and hard work come together in perfect harmony. Thanks for joining our adventure today. And remember to keep exploring the wonders of the world. Look at this beautiful sun-drenched beach. It is the perfect day to build a masterpiece in the sand.
Oh, check it out! A big red excavator has arrived. Is he going to go for a swim in the ocean?
Not quite. He is actually a construction expert. He is carefully shaping the walls of that sandcastle.
Whoa! Did you see that coconut tumble down? It is rolling right past the work zone.
Oh no! The excavator slipped! The sandcastle is ruined, and our little friend looks absolutely heartbroken. Don't worry, little guy. Help is on the way. His friends have arrived to turn this frown upside down. That orange loader is so strong. He is clearing away all the loose sand and debris to make a fresh start.
I bet I can guess what he does next. Does he start a dance party in the sand?
Not today! The green cement mixer is here to pour the perfect mixture to help build a stronger, taller tower. They did it! Look at that magnificent structure. With a little teamwork and for friendship, everything is better than before. What a wonderful day at the beach! Look! A portal just opened in the middle of the desert. What could be coming through?
It's a big yellow loader. I bet it's here to look for buried pirate treasure.
Actually, it's headed to the farm to help the team. Construction vehicles are gathering for a very important project today. Watch that blue excavator go. It's using a special saw attachment to clear away those old, dead trees. That is some serious heavy-duty work.
They're working like a well-oiled machine. The loader is scooping up all the branches and tossing them into the bin. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Steady as she goes. Every piece of debris is cleared away, making the land clean and ready for the next phase of construction. Here comes the cement mixer. It's time to whip up some fresh concrete to build a sturdy foundation for our new house. And there it goes, pouring the foundation perfectly. With the walls up and the roof finished, our job here is complete. What a wonderful day of building together. Look closely at that giant crane, everyone. It is waiting perfectly still, like a hunter ready to strike at the old bridge.
Whoa! Did you see that? It swung that heavy ball like a giant pendulum. Is it playing a game of bowling?
Not quite, my friend. That is a controlled demolition. It is carefully clearing space to build something new and safer for the city.
Now the cleanup crew arrives. Look at that yellow excavator moving into position. It looks like a mechanical dinosaur ready to feast on all that rubble.
Exactly. The excavator uses its powerful bucket to scoop up the heavy concrete. It is a slow, methodical process, but watch how it clears the path piece by piece. It never stops, does it? It just keeps scooping and shifting. It is like watching a very strong, very patient robot gardener tidying up the neighborhood. of heavy machinery. With the main debris gone, the intersection is finally beginning to look like a road once again.
And here comes the bulldozer to finish the job. It is pushing the leftover dust and small bits into a neat pile. It is like a giant metal broom.
It is remarkable how quickly order is restored. The road is clear, and the site is ready for the next phase of construction. Everything is quiet now. The machines are parked and resting after their hard work. It is truly amazing to see how teamwork builds our world, piece by piece. See you next time. Look at these friends gathered in the field. It seems like a perfectly sunny day for an adventure with our animal companions.
Whoa! Are those toys appearing out of thin air? I bet that train is going to take us to the moon.
Actually, it is a classic steam engine designed for traveling across the countryside. It is wonderful to see them sharing these treasures together. Wow! Did you see that rainbow shimmer across the sky? This celebration is truly spectacular, isn't it?
It is absolutely magical. I wonder if the toy plane can fly through that rainbow. Let me go try to catch it.
Steady now. Let us simply enjoy this joyous moment of play while the colors shine bright. As the day winds down, our white cat friend gazes at the house. Look at that massive crane. It's starting to lift those heavy wooden crates. It's like a giant mechanical arm reaching for the sky.
Oh, I bet the truck is going to catch it. Maybe the crane is playing a giant game of catch with the truck.
Not quite silly. It's working with precision to load the cargo safely. See how steady it moves to land the crate perfectly? Efficiency is the name of the game here. With the first crate secured, the truck prepares to move on to its next task.
Back to work it goes. That crane is really strong to lift those over and over again.
It's all about rhythm and coordination. One crate after another, the load grows steadily in the back of the blue truck. Now the truck is fully loaded and ready to hit the road. It's time to deliver those goods across the city.
Look at it go! Zooming through the city streets like a champion delivery vehicle.
Crossing the bridge now, the truck carries its heavy cargo with such purpose and steady resolve.
Oh no! Look! The crates are starting to slide out the back. That's definitely not part of the plan.
Hard-working truck has left quite a messy trail behind it. Let's hope someone comes along to help clean up this unexpected surprise. Thanks for joining us on this. Look at these magnificent machines waiting patiently in the morning sun.
I bet that green one is just waiting to dig for buried treasure. Is it a pirate excavator?
Not exactly. It is preparing to lay a foundation for something truly extraordinary. Watch as it bites into the earth, moving tons of soil with incredible precision.
Wow, it is like a giant metal puzzle coming to life right before our very eyes.
Exactly. These gears and towers form the heart of a powerful new energy station. With the wind turbines now spinning, we have successfully harnessed the power of nature to light up the future. What a brilliant feat of engineering! Look at our brave red tow truck, pulling that heavy yellow roller toward the facility. He has a very important job today.
Wait, is that a giant robot waiting there? Oh, hi! It's just a friendly pink crane truck taking a little nap in the sun.
She is not sleeping, silly. She is working hard, carefully lifting that heavy metal barrel with her powerful crane arm.
Whoa! Did you see those sparks? Something magical, or maybe super scientific, is happening between them right now.
The tow truck is changing. He has been upgraded with a futuristic laser cannon. He looks ready for an epic adventure. Watch closely as he tests his new gear. Those bright red beams are incredibly powerful, lighting up the entire area. Now he enters a quiet, dusty city. Everything looks so old and forgotten here. It's a bit spooky, isn't it?
I bet he's hunting for treasure. Or maybe he's just looking for the best place to park his new head.
He aims his laser at the crumbling structure. With a massive boom, the wall gives way. That is some serious engineering power.
Wait, he switched to blue bubbles? That's definitely not what I expected. It looks like a giant, colorful party in the ruins.
The yellow loader and red excavator are joining the fun. Our brave tow truck has turned this quiet place into a busy construction zone again. As the sun sets, our hero heads back through the tunnel. It has been a long, exciting day of transformation and discovery. See you next time. The morning sun warms the pasture, where our gentle cows graze in perfect, quiet harmony.
Wait, what's happening? Did a giant robot just arrive to dump dirt everywhere?
Not a robot, silly. That is a hard-working bear preparing the land for a new project.
Look at him go. He handles that tractor like a professional race car driver, doesn't he?
He is very focused indeed. He uses the front loader with such precision to level the ground for the farm's future.
I bet he's building a giant slide for the cows. That would be so much fun.
While a slide sounds delightful, he is actually smoothing the soil to ensure the grass grows back healthy and strong. The work is finally complete. Our bear friend has done a wonderful job, and the cows return to their peaceful grazing under the golden sun. Nature and hard work truly go hand in hand. Truck cruising through the city. It seems like just another quiet day in the neighborhood, doesn't it?
Whoa, wait a minute. Did it just park inside the building? I think the driver forgot where the front door was.
Oh dear, that is certainly not a parking spot. That is quite a collision, but thankfully, here comes the red excavator to help clear the path.
Is the excavator going to eat the building? It's crunching through all that rubble with such incredible power.
It is clearing the way, yes. And look, a sturdy red tow truck has arrived to lend a helping hand to our stuck friend. There she goes! With a mighty pull, the pump truck is finally free from the wall. Teamwork really does make the dream work. Now the real cleanup begins. The excavator is loading all that leftover concrete and brick into the blue dump truck like a pro.
I could watch those machines work all day long. They make cleaning up a big mess look so incredibly easy and satisfying.
It is a rhythmic process, isn't it? The excavator methodically sifts through the remnants, ensuring that not a single piece of debris is left behind. It transforms a chaotic scene back into an orderly space. And just like that, the site is spotless once more. It is truly remarkable how quickly these machines can restore order to our busy city streets. Thanks for joining us on this little adventure today. We will see you next time!